Alright fans, welcome to Williams RC. This is my unboxing video of the MWX R.1, R.1 PN equipped race kit. Box is pretty standard. Good weight to it. What we got? Oh, it's a good start. I like me my stickers. These will be for instructions. Plastic baggie. I'll have to open that after. Another plastic baggie. Huh. That means I gotta put this down and use my other hand. This is just unnecessary plastic. Really? I don't know what you spent on this, but you could probably save a few bucks if you didn't package everything up like that. It's already in packages. Catch me next time.